Today I've come to a little village in Hampshire, and I've come to the church of St Margaret's, which is the final resting place of Florence Nightingale. This is the path. There's the church. Got a nice old church. And this is Florence Nightingale's bench. Crimean War, St Thomas Hospital, Nightingale School. And there's a plaque to commemorate bicentenary of Florence Nightingale on the 12th of May 2020. It's a little sundial by the looks of it. This is the church entrance, obviously. And just over there is Florence Nightingale's final resting place with her family. We'll go over and have a look. Just want to show you, before I go over to the Florence Nightingale's headstone, I'll just show you this little nice little headstone here in loving memory of Mary. To the left is Florence Nightingale's final resting place, which is there. There's the church again. So that reads William Edward Nightingale, died January the 5th, 1874, in his 80th year. I think that was her father. And here is Frances Nightingale, wife of William Edward Nightingale, died 1880. I think that was Florence Nightingale's mother. So that's the father, that's her father and her mother. And Frances, this one is the elder daughter of William Edward. and Florence Nightingale, and second wife of the Right Honourable Sir Harry Verney. This was Florence Nightingale's. This was Florence Nightingale's older sister. And then on this side, and that's FN for Florence Nightingale, born 12th of May 1820, died 13th of August 1910. And that's Florence Nightingale herself. So Florence Nightingale, she was the founder of modern nursing. She was born in Florence, and obviously she was named after the place she was born in, as in Florence Nightingale. She died in Mayfair, London. She's also known as the Lady with the Lamp. And in the coronavirus pandemic, they named the NHS Nightingale hospitals after her in 2020. She was actually ranked number 52 in the 100 Greatest Britons. Yeah, so there you go, that's the final resting place of Florence Nightingale and family members. She was never married. She liked cats. She was 90 years old when she died, and yeah, she's quite a famous name. She changed the way nursing is nowadays. If you want to know more, read her up online. I think I'll have another little look around the cemetery, see if there's anything of interest to film, and yeah, we'll go from there. So some more older graves, some daffs, as you can see. Headstone that's come over there. And that's Florence Nightingale's headstone in the distance, as you can see. There's this big tree again. bat box. It's got a picture of a bat on it, so yeah. Lots of flowers up in this section, lots of daffs, so I won't go any further. It's been a bit of a wet day and a windy day, so decided to call it there. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.